guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video finally I am doing the Bluetooth intercom sound testing. So I hope everything goes well and I am able to record it properly. And I am going to a location where my pillion, my wife, will be standing at one point, which will be the point A, and I'll go further towards like 100, 200 meters and 300 meters across the roads to check whether my wife can hear on the Bluetooth intercom properly or not. So yeah, waiting to go to the location, and it's a beautiful location. I hope you will enjoy it. So I am at the location right now. So this is the location. So this will be basically my point A. From here I'll be going towards there, somewhere very far, like 300, 400 meters, and check whether my pillion can still hear at the Bluetooth intercom. So yeah, I'll continue my ride towards the other point, and she's gonna stay here with the helmet and record if she can hear it or not. শুনতে পাচ্ছো?
হ্যাঁ শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So I am going to the other point and still connected with my Bluetooth. I hope she can hear me. Nadia, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, fine. So this is approximately, I don't know, 50-70 meters. Nadia, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but I cannot see you on video.
You don't have to see me. I am recording on my action camera.
Okay, okay.
So guys, this is approximately 200 meters, I guess, and we can still hear each other, right, Nadia?
Yes, I can hear you.
We can hear each other, but I am hearing some distortions. So Nadia, do you hear some distortion? Like, do you hear some noise?
No, now I can't hear you.
Okay, you cannot hear me.
Little bit problem.
Okay, fine. So, as expected, after crossing, I guess, 300 meters approximately, we are having trouble hearing each other over the Bluetooth intercom. This is the final call. Nadia, can you hear me?
No, yeah, there are so many problems.
Okay, so yeah, guys, I am going back to her. This is the point where we could hear each other with some distortions. So on my bike it says 42.1 kilometer. Let's see how far Nadia is from this point. We will be able to check the quality like this. So I'm going back to her to find out the total distance we could hear each other without any distortion. So yeah, 42.3 right now on my meter.
Now everything is clear.
Yes, everything is clear. So because I am coming closer to you,
Yes,
I still cannot.
I can hear you clearly.
Yeah, I can hear you clearly as well, but I cannot see you yet.
I also.
I think I can see you with the camera, my lady, my cameraman for the day. Bunch of boys excited to cross the road without following any traffic rules, and I'm going wrong way for a while. So yeah, I am here, and this is 42.7, so which means around 500 to 600 meters. So guys, I'm back at the point A, and I went as far as 600 meters, and beyond 600 meters there were some distortions because we couldn't hear each other properly after 600 meters. So as you can see, meter it says 42.7, and when I started the journey it was around 42.1. So yeah, beyond 600 this causes problem, distortions, but till 600 it is fine, and I think it is quite reasonable for the price we get it for. So if you want a cheaper headset, intercom headset, you can go for it. So guys, that's it from this Bluetooth intercom series. I have released 3 parts. If you haven't watched the other 2, you can go and check out the other 2 videos on my YouTube channel, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video with something new. So subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.
I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.